Welcome to my tutorial. Now I'm going to share the Microsoft Excel, how to ascending and descending, sorting the data, and also to filter the data. The sample we have. Now I want to filter the gender, only male equal to M. So we go to the data, filter. So you can see now, we highlight the first row, the header. Then we click on it. We can choose whether we want to show female, male, or select all. So my now color I need to show only male. So I untick the female. Okay. So it's filtered already. Okay, I want to filter male and junior only. Then I can go to the position. Only tick junior. So the data filter. If you have a range of data, this is very convenient for you to filter and look for certain value. So I also can unfilter it. Select all. You will display all. Okay, for the ascending and descending, you can choose the sorting. So you want which column? So for this case, I want the first name. Sort this column only. Sort on the cell value. A to Z ascending. So I click OK. So it's sorting. Sort based on the first name. I also can sort in descending. Z to A. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.